During the event on Thursday, Huawei introduced the world to its newest series of high-performance smartphones to compete with the main mobile phones in the market, delivering high-level performance, fast charging and high-quality cameras. The device arrived on the market with a design that adopts the main elements of the Mate 30 Pro and the P40 Pro, with a curved screen on the sides in all models of the Mate 40 series, 90Hz refresh rate with 240Hz touch sampling rate, and biometric reader on the screen. Mate 40 adopts a 6.5-inch OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and a smoother curvature of 68 degrees, while Mate 40 Pro and Mate 40 Pro Plus arrive with the same 6.7-inch OLED display with higher resolution and more curved sides with an 88-degree angle. For Mate 40, Huawei opted to adopt a front camera that is housed in a circular notch in the top corner of the screen, while Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro Plus uses a pill-shaped cutout to house a camera for selfies and a sensor for facial recognition in 3D. This year, Huawei highlights the power of its Kirin 9000 processor, which implements the new 5nm architecture with 5G connectivity, delivering an incredible 15.3 billion transistors, 30% more transistors than the Apple A14, according to the company itself. The chipset delivers 10% more speed than the Snapdragon 865 Plus, which is manufactured in 7nm and does not compete directly with the Kirin 9000. In addition to delivering a Mali G78 GPU with 24 virtual cores that deliver 52% more speed than the Snapdragon 865 Plus, thanks to the new 5nm lithography. The Kirin 9000 delivers longer battery life and better energy efficiency. For the battery, Huawei offers a 4400 mAh battery in the Mate 40 Pro and Mate 40 Pro Plus, and promises long battery life with up to 9.7 hours. Both phones support 66W fast charging, 50W fast wireless charging, and 5W reverse wireless charging. The Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro comes with 8GB of RAM with 128GB and 256GB of internal storage, while Mate 40 Pro Plus comes with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. For the cameras, Huawei strove to deliver even better performance for its flagships. The Mate 40 and the Mate 40 Pro hit the market with 3 lenses for photography and an additional ToF 3D sensor for depth in its Mate 40 Pro and Mate 40 Pro Plus variants, while the Mate 40 Pro Plus comes with a quad camera setup, sharing the same main sensor of 50MP with f1.9 aperture. The difference are for the additional sensors. The Mate 40 adopts a 16MP wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture and a 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The Mate 40 Pro delivers a 20MP ultra-wide lens with a brighter f1.8 aperture, in addition to offering a 12MP periscope lens with 5x optical zoom. The Mate 40 Pro Plus comes with a 12MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, a 8MP periscope lens with 10x optical zoom, and a 20MP ultra-wide lens with f2.4 aperture. The Mate 40 series features a 13MP front-facing camera, but only the Pro models are joined by a depth sensor. If we talk about the video performance, the main camera is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60fps, as well as slow motion clips at 1080p resolution and 480fps. And you can practically stop time with 3840 fps mode, which records at 720p resolution. The selfie camera is quite adept at video capture too. It can do 4K at 30fps videos and 1080p at 240fps slow motion clips. The Mate 40 Pro Plus camera software system will offer a unique anti-portrait distortion feature, allowing more people to be captured in the same photo, but correcting the extreme distortion of faces via software. For EMUI 11, Huawei highlights differentials such as always-on display themes with dynamic images that can change organically, and the new eye-on display where even the smartphone recognizes that the user is looking at the screen and activates the screen so that users can see the time, date and notifications. Another difference is the gestures in the air to increase volume, answer calls, go through images in the gallery and navigate through the interface. There are 5 new color options in addition to black, white and an edition with glossy and reflective finish. Mate 40 and the Mate 40 Pro adopt vegan leather finishes in green and orange colors to give even more exclusive prominence to models. Mate 40 Pro Plus is the only one that arrives in just 2 colors, black and white. But in compensation, Huawei implements a ceramic black cover more resistant to scratches than traditional glass. Now let's talk about the price. At the end of the event, Huawei confirmed that prices for the Mate 40 lineup start at €899 for the most basic model, reaching up to €2,295 for the Porsche design version. So, if you think I have missed something, write it down in the comment. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to support me on Patreon, the link is given in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.